Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Katherine and you're watching my first video on my fitness channel. Here I will show you all the healthy habits I use to lose 20 pounds naturally and still continue to use today. Today I'm going to start off by showing you how to make my favorite breakfast recipe I've used yet, protein coffee. Not only is it healthy for you, but it tastes amazing too. It only has 1 gram of sugar and 30 grams of protein, which is amazing. So let's get to it.
So to make the protein coffee, you have to do a little prepping the night before. So I use this mixing bottle right here, and I also use these coffee pods. And you can use any kind of coffee you want. This is just easy. So I just put it in the coffee maker, and you can use any Keurig for these pods. And I make 8 ounces every other night, so I can just put it in the refrigerator, and I have 4 ounces in the morning and then 4 ounces the next morning, and it still tastes great. So I just wait on this to brew, and then when it's done I put it in the refrigerator, and you can drink it with or without ice. I like it without ice because it doesn't get as watery quickly. So you take it out the next morning and you pour 3 to 5 ounces in the cup. I do about 4, and then you take these Premier Protein caramel shakes, 1 gram of sugar, 30 grams of protein. The caramel just tastes the best to me, and you pour the whole shake into the cup. You might want to use a cup that's large enough. And then after you pour that in, you mix the coffee and the shake, only 2 ingredients. And when it's done mixing, you have your protein coffee. Very simple and short, and it's so good.
So that's how you do it. It's very simple and healthy, and I hope this coffee hack helps all you coffee lovers out there achieve your goals just like it did mine. I didn't even realize how much weight it was helping me lose. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see more videos like this about my current fitness journey, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!